Hi friends, welcome to Best Top Brands. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. To get started today, we are going to review portable foldable photo studio box with LED light. Let's see the features of this product. No assembly required, with setup in less than a minute, collapses into a thin, portable, and durable portfolio case. It includes power supply, user manual, and pre-installed removable bright white backdrop. High output built-in LED lights for handheld photography with a camera or smartphone. Lights are positioned for optimum contrast and provide 5600K daylight balanced LEDs with high color rendering index (CRI) for consistent color. An extra light provides directional light modeling like in a photo studio, giving better highlights, contrast, and shape to product images. A front 3-door system maximizes image angles while reducing outside reflections, and a top hole enables imaging from above. Compatible with Amazon Seller application, shoot, edit, and directly upload catalog images to Amazon. Let's see some of the additional features of portable foldable photo studio box with LED light. This is portable and you can carry it anywhere. Optimized lighting and imaging options. Convenient to carry. Get creative with your photography. Durable design. Now let's see some of the pros and cons of this product. Pros are its perfect size, sufficient space, easy to assemble and store, easy to use, comfortable, useful, lightweight, portable, good material. Cons: although the lighting is good, it is not enough, since only being in the L position leaves two sides without light, and this creates a little shadow on the products. Aside from the fact that I have taken better care of it, it is not so resistant myself. One of the lights has a false contact that sometimes becomes very annoying. Once you connect it, take your photos quickly, it tends to heat up something and that can damage your equipment. It is just a recommendation. I would like it to have an on-off button even if it was connected. This product is available in Amazon. Check the link in description.